Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to show how to define a current control current source. For that, just consider this circuit. I'm going to use from the analog library the component F, and as you can see, I have to break this connection between this resistor and this other one, and we have here a current flowing in this direction multiplied by this component gain, so that's the value of the current I'm going to have flowing through this wire. In order to check this, let me define a simulation. Of course, what I'm going to calculate here is the bias point. That's enough to show that it's working. As I already said, I'm going to simulate, and if I show here the current, we can see that we have here of course 3.53 milliamperes, and that's exactly the current flowing through or in this area. I hope it helps, and we hear each other in future videos. Thank you.